Into the food processor, I'm gonna add some roasted red peppers. Can I actually add them now? Here we go. Are you ready? This is gonna be amazing.
Hi, I'm Emily, a Stop and Shop registered dietitian.
And we're Dave and Steve from The Happy Pair.
We're identical twins from Ireland, all about encouraging you to eat more veg to be healthier and happier.
And this is
At the table!
All right, so Dave and Steve, I often hear from people as a dietitian that it's hard to make recipes that their picky eaters like. So my challenge for you both today is to create a recipe that even a very picky eater would enjoy.
Okay, well, we got picky eaters in our houses, so we know what it is like. So the trick is to hide the veg in the dish. What are you thinking, Stevie?
And I think pasta is a good base. I think most people love pasta, so let's try to work something around pasta.
And very important to blend the sauce so people don't know this veg. Okay, I got it. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna make a roasted red pepper, creamy pasta dish. It is next level. You are gonna love it. Woo! Okay, first step, we're gonna start by cooking our pasta. We're using whole wheat spaghetti. It's naturally higher in fiber and it tastes just as good.
Into the food processor, we're gonna add some roasted red peppers.
Okay, in on top of that, we've got our cashews. We've literally soaked them, drained them, and rinsed them, and in they go.
In terms of flavor agents, we're gonna go with a little bit of dried garlic powder.
We've got a pinch of salt.
Lemon to bring a little bit of acidity that's gonna help cut through that sweet cashews.
Okay, and we're going with black pepper. You can either grind it in or just use dried black pepper.
In terms of the body of this sauce, we're basing it on oat milk, but you could use any other type of milk you prefer.
3, 2, 1. Okay, sauce is ready to go. We're gonna simply add it to the pan. We're gonna heat it up and reduce it down until it gets even creamier.
I'm just gonna add in our pasta now.
It smells delicious in here. I love that we're using some whole grains in there, and I am very excited to try this. Sauces are a really great place to get in those fruits, get in those veggies, any way to add more color to the plate. Definitely gets a thumbs up in my book. Can we dig in?
Yes. Absolutely, here we go. There is your fork.
This is really creamy.
Okay, so we're gonna garnish it with a little bit of basil. Okay, and we've got a few additional roasted red peppers. Add them on or not. You will know yourself. If you've got kids, sometimes kids don't like the addition. All yours, Emily, take it away.
All right, let's see, first bite. Wow.
Nice.
You really sense that creaminess from the cashews. We have that great flavor coming from the roasted red peppers. I think any picky eater would enjoy this.
Woo!
Do you reckon we pass the test?
I would say you've made this mission possible.
Yes!
I'm not surprised. This is a really good dish.
It's delicious.